Hey, what's up, Theta Network holder? It's a really shock news, my friend, for all Theta Network, my brothers. Too, after a bet fails, my friends, they will starting moving upward now, and absolutely like that. Oh my goodness, what a huge jump! As you can see here, my friend, this chart. Oh my goodness, it's a very brilliant and massive change occurred, my brother. But definitely, it's a good news, my friend, for all holder who invest in those days, especially for short-term investor. Otherwise, my friend, we cannot move, so we cannot take a good jump, my friend, and cannot take a profit now. So it's all credit, my friends, goes to yes, my brother holders now, especially short-term holders. One thing I want to tell you, my brothers, to the good time is coming soon, but just in only, my friends, you need my brothers to participate, my friend, and every day, if you a lot of holders, especially short-term investors, they are starting selling and buying, my friends, day by day. So I think this is very bad now, especially you need to invest for a 1 week, my brother, for 3 days to 4 days, just in only, my friend. This is your shortest time, my brother. Don't see, my friend, the short fails and the short jump, because, my brother, you can see here this point, just in only not this point, my friend. You can see here. So absolutely, after this fail, you can see here they will take a jump. After this fail, they will take a jump. Definitely, my friend, every coin will moving in this direction. So I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will also moving upward now, and they will give you a profit. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Theta Network. Please like video and subscribe our YouTube channel.